really get this covered. I don't want anything, I mean, I don't mind if the wood part, the black part sees through, but like it's gonna look, I mean, it's gonna look nice with the black on it. So just to wait for it to completely dry and then go back again with the paint in hopes that it covers the way that I want it to cover. Which the bottom part is beginning to look kind of covered. So we'll see. And then that way, once this is covered, then I won't have to worry about it later. You know? So I just want to make sure this is covered, and then I don't have to come back to this again. And then I could be able to hang it up on my wall. But I don't think I'm going to paint the back. I would probably paint the sides, depending. But I think maybe I have to at least wait for it to dry so that I can give it another coat. So by me waiting for it to dry, I can give it another coat. So this is how it's looking so far. I don't know if you can see that. I still have to give it another coat so that it comes out more better. And I actually had to borrow a chair because this is how it's looking right now. So I'm trying to get it so that this is only hanging by glue. So just so you guys know, I am getting this to get it so that it stays completely black. So hopefully I'm giving it as much glue as I can. Not glue, paint as I can to cover the wood. Yeah, I'm trying to get the glue to cover, and hopefully this comes out the way it should be. And then that way I wouldn't have to worry about this part. Yeah, we'll see, right? So hopefully you could, I hope this inspires you guys to do a DIY. If you have a DIY that you want to make in your videos, you can, because this inspired me. This is actually the first time that I've made this DIY. I mean, I've made other DIYs, but this was actually a picture stand, and you could put like little knickknacks, like little flowers and silverware and everything on it, and that's what this was. And I ended up brainstorming of what I want to make this as, because I didn't want to use it for knickknacks and things. I want to be able to use it so that I want to be able to use this so that I can use it all the time. You know what I'm saying? So that way I wouldn't have to worry about it afterwards. But I'm just gonna